Okay, Trucks, let's have some fun with Thomas. Yeah!
No, please don't.
Break!
Hey, Trucks! I can't move forward. Stop using your brakes.
Watch out, Thomas. The Funding Express is coming.
Oh, watch out!
Oh no, brake! Oh dear. Sorry, Thomas.
It's not your fault, train driver Funding. It's these troublesome trucks' fault.
Ah, that was good fun.
Okay, let's deliver this coal to the steam engines.
No, we don't want to do that.
Well, you have to.
No, we don't. Bye!
What?
Whee!
Trucks? Right, time to go back to the diesel works. Whoa! Diesel 10, are you okay? No! These coal-filled trucks crashed into me.
That was funny. Okay, let's load these trucks with cargo. Do-do-do-do-do. There, that's one. Got lots more cargo to load. Right, let's do another one. Huh? Hold on. Where did the first cargo I loaded go? I don't know. Well, I'll have to continue anyway. Nope. Let's put some rocks in. Nope. And some fish. No way. And some coal. I don't think so. What? Come on, trucks. Stop dropping everything. We'll load something nice like the candy then. Fine. There you go. Okay, now then, trucks, you also need to take some of this other cargo. Trucks, where's the candy? We don't know. We definitely didn't eat it. Oh, these trucks are being really troublesome today.
Whoa, I can't stop. What? Thomas, help me!
No, ignore us.
I've got an idea, Percy. Whoa!
Whee!
I have Toad. Attach to the trucks and slow him down, Toad. Hooah! Brake! Hooah! Phew! Thanks, Toad. Thanks, Thomas. Oh, we have to do something about these troublesome trucks.
Don't worry, engines. I know the trucks are being difficult, so Fix-It Funding has come up with a solution.
Yes, I have. I've built some new trucks for you. These ones don't have faces, so can't talk, making them very useful trucks.
Wow! Awesome! Yes!
So what happens to us then?
You'll stay in the truck yard as backups.
Oh, that sounds boring.
Well, you deserve it. I can't wait to use these new trucks. Hi, Funding. Please can you fill my new trucks with cargo?
Yeah. Do-do-do. Oh, Thomas, I can't fit 2 cargo blocks in these trucks. There's only room for 1.
Really? Can't you squeeze it in?
Okay. There, that'll have to do.
Yeah, that looks fine, thanks.
Okay then. There.
Perfect, thank you.
Uh-oh, Thomas, one fell off. Oh dear, these new trucks aren't quite as good as I thought they'd be.
Okay. Which way is it to the docks? This way or this way? What do you think, trucks? Oh right, you trucks don't talk. I'll have to guess. I'll go this way. Percy! Oh, whoa! Percy, what are you doing? Sorry, Philip, I must have gone the wrong way. Usually my trucks help direct me. I'm struggling with my new trucks too. My cargo doesn't fit in them very well. Maybe we need to talk to the old trucks. These new ones aren't really working out. Okay, trucks, we're having problems with these new trucks. We could ask Fix-It Funding to adjust them for us.
No, use us, please. We'll behave.
Well, if you promise to behave, we'll use you again.
Yes, thank you, engines. We're sorry for making your jobs difficult.
Thanks, but don't forget, if you misbehave again, we won't hesitate to use these other new trucks again.
Okay, we'll behave.